In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and present a slideshow in Canva. To get started, open Canva in your browser or launch the app, then sign into your account. If you're already logged in, you'll go straight to the home screen. This is where Canva keeps all of your design tools in one place, so it's a great starting point for creating presentations quickly and easily. Before moving on, make sure you're in the correct account if you use more than one, especially if your saved designs are organized by workspace. Once you're on the home screen, look to the top right corner and click Create a Design. This button is where you begin any new project in Canva. After clicking it, you'll see a list of design types you can choose from. Since we're making a slideshow, select Presentation from the available options. Canva will then open a new presentation file and prepare the workspace for you. At this stage, you can decide whether you want to use a ready-made template or begin with a blank presentation. Templates are helpful if you want a polished design right away, since they already include coordinated layouts, fonts, and color styles. If you prefer full control over the look of your slideshow, starting from a blank presentation is a good option. Choose whichever approach fits your project best and continue into the editor. Now it's time to build your presentation. Add slides as needed, then customize each one with your own text, images, and design elements. You can click into any text box to type and edit your content, and you can reposition items on the slide by dragging them into place. If you're adding images or visual elements, try to keep your layout clean and readable so the audience can follow along easily. It also helps to keep each slide focused on one main idea, rather than overcrowding it with too much information. As you work, take a moment to review how your slides look together. Consistent fonts, spacing, and colors can make the whole presentation feel more professional and easier to watch. This is especially useful if you're creating something for a class, meeting, or online presentation. When everything looks the way you want, click Present to start your slideshow. Canva will switch into presentation mode so you can view your slides full screen and move through them smoothly. And that's it. You've created a presentation in Canva and you're ready to share it with your audience.